Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Caretutor account so you can access the deletion controls. If you can't log in, reset the password first because deletion requires authentication. Once signed in, make sure you download any records you need, student notes, invoices, or lesson histories, because deletion is irreversible. Also confirm your device and browser are updated and on a stable connection to avoid timeouts. These steps prevent lost data and blocked actions when you continue to the account settings. Now, go directly to Settings and open the Account or Privacy section where Account Controls live. Locate Delete Account or Deactivate and read the consequences so you understand data removal and service loss. Once you choose Deletion, the system will ask you to verify identity, expect an email code, 2FA prompt, or security question. This prevents unauthorized deletions. Enter the requested confirmation, and when prompted, select a reason if required, because Caretutor may use that feedback to finalize the process. Finally, confirm the final deletion prompt and observe whether Caretutor offers a grace period or delayed deletion so you know when data will vanish. Once completed, check your email for a confirmation receipt and save that reference. It proves the request was processed. If the process fails, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or use another device. If issues persist, contact support with your confirmation attempts and timestamps. This troubleshooting step resolves most blockages quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.